Dr. Katjitae said Namibia is not yet at the stage of community transmission, where individuals in communities are developing COVID symptoms randomly without coming in contact with people who were overseas.
If you ask me as a clinician, what is my impression? I've also been following this thing for quite a long time. If you look at the epidemic or the pandemic in various countries, we know that the numbers double almost every second day. We can talk, I can gladly talk about that. This is now around about our second week, 14 days since we diagnosed the first cases. And what we have done so far is actually to really contain this condition.
Also speaking at the occasion, Acting Chief Executive Officer of NIP, Dr. David Uirab, revealed that Namibia is in the process of procuring testing machines to decentralize testing of COVID-19 to other laboratories.
Once we start receiving these reagents that I've referred to, we'll be able to decentralize the testing to some of the major centers, most probably at the beginning to Oshakati, which is our second biggest laboratory, and then to the coast. And then as the outbreak develops, we will definitely be able to decentralize testing to any number of districts in the country, which will make it possible for us to test cases as they come up without having to transport the samples from the various collection sites to Windhoek. So that is good news.
On her part, the Deputy Minister of Health and Social Services reminded both private and state hospitals to ensure the safety of health workers at all times.
The message that I also want to send out is to our health sector fraternity, for the employers to make sure that our health workers are well protected and taken care of, not only by providing personal protective equipment, but also make sure that they know and they are trained on how to use these PPEs correctly. And equally to our health workers, I want to caution them that it's now time for them also to take extra precautions and treat each patient as a high risk.
Juliana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.